Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your speaker Sony from the application. You have to start by open the application and now turn off your speaker by pressing one time at the power button. Here we go, now it can connect it, so you can just wait or click to go back. And then click at these three dots at the right top. Remove speaker. And right here, click on your speaker and click remove. OK. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.